Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson ET2720 printer, and now I can show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. So firstly, we need to find the settings in the main menu and click OK. Then scroll right twice and find here network settings. Click OK. Scroll right, click OK to choose Wi-Fi setup. Wi-Fi recommended, so click on it, click OK again. Wi-Fi setup wizard, click OK. Wait until printer will detect available Wi-Fi networks. Then click OK again, and here I will need to explain you how to input the password from the Wi-Fi network. I will not show my password, but I'll just show you how to input the password. So in the Wi-Fi network password we can have symbols, big letters, small letters, and spaces. Okay, so to input big letters, so we need to choose ABC, big ABC. To input small letters, we need to choose this ABC. To choose this, we need to click on the refresh button, and as you can see, now I will write using small letters. If you wanna input numbers, so you need to choose this mode, and in this way you will input numbers. And if you wanna input symbols, you need to use 1, 2, 3 mode 2. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we have different symbols from QWERTY keyboard. And if you wanna input the space, you just need to click on the right and right again. And now here I have the space. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.